Hello guys, welcome. My name is Mauricio Aizawa, and in today's video I want to share with you an automation for your customer feedback form. Let's take our feedback and send it to an email marketing system. In this video, I'm going to use Google Forms to collect the data. I'm using Zapier for automation and ActiveCampaign as our target system for email marketing automation. So if you don't know about Google Forms, definitely you need to take a look because it's a great tool. It's free and it's a great tool that you can use for many different purposes. For example, you can use for customer feedback, that is the form that we are going to use today, but you can use of course for other situations like course evaluation. As you can see here, you can create a simple form like that, or you can use some templates that they are making available, or for example, the customer feedback I show you, the job application form. For example, if you have in your company and you very quickly want to open your website, you can embed this form in your website. So it's pretty straightforward, so take a look, it's pretty good. Okay, in order to create a new form, let me show you how simple it is. Just go to your Google Drive, log with your account, go to the new here, and you're going to see the standard item like doc, sheet, and slide. Go to more, and on more you're going to see other types of forms or possibilities on Google Forms. Just go here to this arrow and it will show a blank form or pick up a template. I will pick up a template and it will show some examples. You can see here the customer feedback. This is the form we're going to use now. So let's take the customer feedback, and that is the template is just loaded, and you can start changing the appearance. You can add in more questions. You can change everything that you need here. Okay, great. Let me use this, and what I'm going to do is just automate this specific form, and basically it's ready. What you need to do in terms of the automations with Zapier, you need to create a nice spreadsheet based on the answers. So everyone that answered this form, it's going to save in a Google spreadsheet. That's great because you can deal with the response later, like you can pivot table, or you can add columns, add some formulas, etc. So let me create this spreadsheet. I will create with this like customer feedback 2 as the name of the spreadsheet. Let me create, and that's it. Now it's ready in terms of to collect the data. All right, good, awesome, it's here. All right, good. It's done. So let me make a test. I will go to preview and I can like this comment, customer feedback, awesome service, make available some free stuff like this. Okay, let me put my name, let's put my email address. All right, they have a verification if it's a valid email address, so that's pretty good. Let me just submit. When I submit this, okay, now this response was saved into this specific spreadsheet. Okay, so that's great. If you go to Google, to the Google Drive, you are going to see here. Let me change it to this customer feedback 2. You see customer feedback 2. If I open, I'm going to see my specific record here. All right, great. So let's go to Zapier right now and create our specific Zap. You see, I have done a test. Let me create a new one so you can see the process step by step. So let's start with the trigger. The trigger is the Google Forms. Every time a new answer is submitted, I will send this to ActiveCampaign. So let's go. Google Forms, you type Google Forms. If you don't have a Zapier account, you can create your one. It's free. They have a free plan and they have a paid plan, but with the free plan you can do many things for your test or for a small amount of transactions. Okay, good. New response in spreadsheet. This is the trigger action. Save and continue. Great. This is my Google account. It's already set up, but you can set up if you haven't set up yet. Okay, let me go here, and the first thing I need to set up the spreadsheet that is being placed all the answers. So customer feedback 2, and let me select the worksheet that is the form called form response 1. Okay, done. This is the configuration for Google Forms. Good. Let me fetch some data and see What data I have there? Yeah, my data is just right here. Awesome. Now let me set up the target system. That is the system I'm going to send the information. That is ActiveCampaign. Let me put in ActiveCampaign. I will select the action, create and update a contact like this. Save and continue. Great. Let me select my ActiveCampaign account. This is the account. And good, just brought the information about ActiveCampaign to set up. So we have some required field, that is the list. I already set up a list called customer feedback form. Okay, good. I will put in this list. I have the email address. Let's take the email address. So when I open this list, you see that is the data I'm capturing from Google Forms. So if you create new fields on your Google Forms, it's going to bring the data exactly here when someone fills this data. Okay, so let me match the fields with the fields in ActiveCampaign. All right, good. Let me put for example, on the message field here, I can put the comment, the customer comment, and I can do things like that. For example, let me add the feedback. I can add more information. So you see it's dynamically, I can add text plus some string plus the dynamic content. So this is great. Okay, awesome. Just that. Finish. I can continue. And yeah, this is what's going to fill. That's it. I can send a test to ActiveCampaign to make sure everything is working. Good. It's working. Okay, the test. Just finish and add a name for this app. Let's say Google Forms to ActiveCampaign. Let me put V2. Okay, and switch on. That's it. Your Zapier is ready. It's going to work and it's great. So let me show you this. Let me go back to the form. This is the form we created. Okay. Let me close. Yeah, this is the form. Let me open this. This is the button for preview. So I can make a preview of this form and I can add a comment. Let's say bad service, no suggestion. My name is Mauricio V2 for a test. Let me add a new email I have. Okay, great. Let me submit. Okay, good. Wait some seconds and this transaction is going to appear on Zapier. So let's see here. Let's go to the task history and you are going to see here in some seconds. Okay, great. After waiting some seconds, it can take around 1 to 15 minutes, depends of, but usually it's faster. But you can see that the form was just the transaction just occurred here. Google Forms to ActiveCampaign. I can see that everything passed through. That's pretty okay. And let's see on ActiveCampaign if everything is working okay. So I can go to ActiveCampaign. Let me go to the list. Customer feedback form. I have the record here. Let's see it. Okay, yeah, my record is here. All right, great. Let me open the record and I can see, great, you see the bad service is just right here. Yeah, other information, yeah, everything is just right here. And we have the list customer feedback, and I created an automation called customer feedback form in order to thanks for this submission. And you see that it was activated and an email was automatically sent to this customer. So you see, it's so pretty straightforward, easy, and you are automating a process, and now you have your customer here in your email marketing system, and you can start sending some email campaigns. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe to this channel and like this video, so it's going to help me to promote more. And if you want to master about Zapier and how to automate your life, your business process in your company, I will leave a link below. It's a link for my course. I develop a course showing step by step how to use Zapier, how to automate, and I share some materials about more than 100 possibilities to automate business process using different apps. So please enjoy, please take a look. Okay, thanks very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.